Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at gold on the daily and weekly time frame, and this shows a bullish reversal doji holding the 50-day moving average support, but I'm not convinced of that because the price closed at 4 p.m. below 1250. I guess it all depends on what you consider the end of the day. So right now, Stocktwits.com, this candlestick's going to update by the end of the day, so take that with a grain of salt. I'm looking at the potential loss of this key 50-day moving average support of 1251.57. I've been using the 5-minute chart today. This was an uptrend line on the 5-minute chart. This was a downtrend line on the hourly chart. So let's look at the hourly. That's where I got that downtrend resistance, hitting the lower highs. And when you look at the 5-minute, look at where we topped out. Perfect rejection and a dump. We had very strong 1250.50 and 1251 support established. With that rejection, we saw weakness. And like I said, right now we're trading under 1250. So in my opinion, that 50-day moving average support is currently lost. Where we close today with the gold session, we'll be telling of that as well. But I entered a bearish dust position today based on the S&P 500 and its trend on the hourly chart and this pattern right here. And I actually entered a little bit early. I was looking at the 15-minute chart. I was looking at the downtrend resistance, and I entered on this bearish reversal spinning top. So I held on for a while as we leveled out, tested support and resistance, and then the break saw some nice gains at the end of the day. So I'm currently swinging that position. It's a small starter position. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I am looking for some upside potential over the next couple of weeks in the bearish gold miner plays, especially if SPY loses the 204 support. And make sure and check my SPY videos to get a gauge on what the market is doing. This is the gold weekly chart. And it too has a bullish reversal candlestick holding key 10-week support of 1251.66. But if you use the current price, we are currently below that level and losing that support. So we'll have to check in after the end of the day today, heading into tomorrow. We always look at gold live on webcam each morning before the open and obviously cover it throughout the day. And dust, let's check that. We've got a lower wick bouncing off the 10-day moving average support or just above it. And bulls will be looking to gain that middle Bollinger Band support for the first time. We had it briefly back here at March 23rd, but we need that to be some convincing support and hold it for a couple of days. So that level is $14.99, and we will likely test it tomorrow. And if gold 1250 is now becoming resistance, dust should perform well as gold heads back down to the next support we would be looking at, which would be 1244.60. and 1228.50. So that is the rundown on gold. We'll check back in as always, and if you have not tried the free trial yet on the website, gotta wonder why not. So hope to see you there. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.